Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authenticate with IRS FIRE for electronic filing step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the IRS FIRE website. Locate the login section on the home page. Select the option for new users. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Click to accept the terms and proceed. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Provide your name, email address, and contact number. Create a unique user ID and password. Make sure to follow the specified password requirements. Submit the registration form to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from the IRS. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the IRS FIRE login page. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the authentication section. Select the option for electronic filing. Gather all necessary documents, including your Forms 1099 or 1042s. Ensure you have your employer identification number, EIN, ready. Follow the prompts to upload your documents securely. Review all information carefully for accuracy. Submit your files for processing through the FIRE system. Wait for confirmation of successful submission. Be sure to note any confirmation numbers provided. Check your registered email for updates on your submission status. If issues arise, consult the IRS FIRE troubleshooting page for guidance. Follow any additional steps as required by the IRS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.